already faced with at least 2 lawsuits over its coronavirus-related student vaccination mandate. The Los Angeles Unified School District is now being sued over a similar requirement for employees to get their COVID-19 shots. Health Freedom Defense Fund, a Wyoming-based organization that advocates against mandatory masking, testing and vaccinations, and 6 LAUSD employees filed a lawsuit against the district last week, challenging LA Unified staff vaccination mandate. California Educators for Medical Freedom, founded by LAUSD employees opposed to a vaccine mandate, was inadvertently left off as a plaintiff, but the complaint will be amended to include the group. Leslie Manookian, founder and president of Health Freedom Defense Fund, said on Monday, November 8, filed in U.S. District Court for the Central District of California. The complaint names as defendants Megan Reilly, the district's interim superintendent, Ileana Davalos, Chief Human Resources Officer, and all 7 school board members. Attorneys for the plaintiffs challenged the need for the COVID-19 vaccines, stating in the complaint that they do not prevent infections or transmission of the coronavirus, and that their effectiveness wanes after several months. The complaint also states that the vaccination mandate violates an individual's right to personal autonomy, self-determination, bodily integrity and the right to reject medical treatment, as provided by the 14th Amendment. We don't believe that anybody in government or anybody in business. They are forcing them to make a choice between caring for their families and a medical intervention they don't want. Manookian accused the nation's second-largest school district of coercing its staff members into getting vaccinated. Employees who did not meet a mid-October deadline for providing proof of having received at least 1 dose of a COVID-19 vaccine were prohibited from reporting to work in person. Some were provided accommodations, including being reassigned to a remote position, but not everyone who sought an exemption were granted one. Even if an exemption was granted, not everyone received a workplace accommodation, as was the case for most of the 6 employees named as plaintiffs in this lawsuit, according to the complaint. The LAUSD employees who are plaintiffs in this case include Miguel Sotelo, an electrician currently on leave due to a workplace injury, Mariel Howsepian, a teacher, Jeffrey Fuentes, an electrician, Sandra Garcia, a special education assistant, Hovhannes Saponghian, a teacher assistant, and Norma Brambila,